and secondary, then that's secondary, what happened? Okay, so let's see secondary. Okay, next we have dark, okay, and next one we have light, GHT, light, and third one like we have one success, and next one we have warning, warning. Okay, next one we have info, danger, sorry, danger and info is there also, danger. Next one we have info, info, info. Okay, let's see, it's working fine. Have you observed that one? If I written like primary secondary, it look better, I think. Like primary, primary, okay, and this one is the secondary, PR, yeah, primary, secondary, and this one is the dark. Okay, I will remove the space. Okay, done. It's like light, GHT, light, and next one is success, SUSCCESS, success. Okay, and next one we have warning, warning. Okay, and danger, 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 and next one we have info, okay, let's see, we observe that one secondary light is there. Okay, and dark is like text color is not it's dark also. I will change the text color, text primary. Wait, by using the text we can do that. It's text primary. Okay, let's see, yeah, it's fine now. Okay, and according to that also you have to change like text color also by using text primary and text secondary and text dark. Okay, text light, text VG, text success, text warning, and text danger, and text info. Okay guys, so let's see, it's fine. It's like two more than, I think yeah, light is not defined. I will do one things is like I will do, yeah, it's BG dark. Okay, it's fine. Primary, secondary, dark, light, success, warning, danger, info. You can do that by using classes. In that you have to return text dark and whatever color you want. These are the color we are there in the like predefined classes in Bootstrap. Okay guys, so you cannot do that another color like pink and light green, light blue, light dark blue. You cannot do that by using Bootstrap. You need to be like return a CSS in that. Okay, like you have to give a ID in that particular paragraph, then you have to use that ID. You can do that. Let's see, I will show you one things like PR. Okay, then I have to return like style. In that I have written like my PR. In that I have written it's like background color pink. Okay, pink, I will give the pink. Let's see, it's working fine, but you cannot do that like in that using the bootstrap. These are the predefined classes. If it require in your project, you can use that. Okay, without like you require another like color, then you have to use the css and using for html, you can do that. Okay guys, I hope you understand what are the color element we are using for text and background color. Okay, you want to bg like in the old body, I want to a color, it's class. In that we have bg, and bg it's the secondary. Okay, let's see. I will secondry. Yeah, it's fine, but I do the on things. I will change the color. It's fine. Let's see. Yeah, it's fine. Okay. I hope you understand this many things. How can you do that? Okay. Next one thing is how can you do that padding and margin and all these things. How can you do that? I will show you. Before that, please let me know. Are you understand how can you using color element, predefined color element using Bootstrap? Please let me know in the chat box, guys. Okay. So next we have to discuss how can you do that, like any of the margin, padding, all these things. Yeah. Let's see. I need margin left. Yeah, ms. Yeah, m. Wait 2 minutes. I will. Okay. So in that margin, we are using m for margin and p for padding. Okay. So margin top, margin bottom, margin like left, right. How can you do that? Let's see. If I doing like margin, it's like 4. Let's see, it's margin 4. Okay, only we have 1 2 3 4 5, up to 5 we have margin. Okay, after that it's not a predefined like margin are there. If I using like 6 7, let's see, it's not working. Okay, up to 6 up to 5 it's working. Okay, up to 5 it's working. Let's see. Okay, if I give that margin 1, margin 1. Okay, if I give the margin 2, margin 2. Okay, and the whole margin means you have to like top bottom left right whole, it move to like 2 pixel whatever you have to return in that. Okay, so padding also, if I read like padding in that like 5, let's see. So next we have how can you do that like margin top bottom left right. Okay, so before bootstrap 4.0, it will be margin left ml and margin right mr, but now it's 5.0, it updated now. So if I write a margin left, it will be ms, means margin start, and if I write like margin right, it need to be margin e, margin end. Okay, let's see. If you observe that one, it's padding, it's 5 pixel or whatever you have to return in that p5. Okay, If I write like M S. MS means margin start. Before that we have margin left, but now it's upgraded in the 5.0. It's margin start MS. By using MS, we can do that like margin left. Okay, margin left at 5. So let's see, it's 5. Margin left from 5. If I write margin uh, uh, margin end means margin right, I need 4. Let's see. Wait, margin end. But it's not moving. Yeah, okay, I will show you the margin. If I write in the margin margin and 5, it will be like taking the width of like whole width. That's why it's not working, I think. I will change the width of that. It's width. Wait, we'll do one things here. I will change that one. Width, it's like 70 pixels, 70%. Have you observed that one? Move from 5. Okay, if I change that one like 4 or 2, it working fine. Okay, okay guys. So next we have margin top and margin bottom. Okay, margin top and bottom. So in that we are using MT, it's margin top. You can easily remember that one like M is for margin and P for padding, and like T for margin top and margin bottom, and B margin B. MB means margin button. And like you need to be remembered one thing is that margin left means you have to using MS, and the margin right means it's margin ME. Okay, margin end. So margin top is like 5. Yeah, margin 5 is there. Okay, if I write like margin M, margin bottom is margin bottom. Have you observed that one? Secondary and primary, in between that we have margin. Okay, and if I give like padding, padding top 5, it's top 5. Okay, if I return top bottom, it's working fine also. Okay, if I write end and the start, it will be work as a like margin padding left and padding right. We are using paddings like S and PS and PE. Okay, for margin left and for margin right. I already show you in the margin. You have try yourself in that padding also. Okay, guys. I hope you understand how we are using like classes for using Bootstrap. Okay, how can you do that margin something pixel? But if you need like more than that, like pixel, like after that 5 you need, then you have to return CSS. Okay, it's a predefined classes. So in that like if you require that much margin or that much padding, then you have to use Bootstrap classes. If it require more than that, or like a particular like pixel, so we are using CSS, or you by using the HTML we can do that also. Okay guys. And one thing is that like container is that. Okay, container. What is container? Container means it is responsive designing. We are already learned that what is responsive designing is text box, media query, all these things. Responsive designing means it work like in that mobile device or iPad or laptop. Okay guys. So if I using like in the head section or in the body section, I need to be use container. Okay, contain container. Okay, Let's see. It's container. Start from, okay. If I like we have container SM, container MD, small container small, and container MD means medium, container large, extra large we have there. Okay, container small, MD medium, okay, medium, and container extra large means it will be work in that small device. And if you are designing for small device, we are using container SM. Or if I am designing for medium device, like we are using like MD. And if I require for like more than like TV, or for we are designing for TV, or like we are using XL for extra large. Okay, so we have container fluid also there, FLUID fluid. And we are using for like both like for mobile device, for laptop device, for iPad device also. Okay, if I change the width of that, have you observed that one? It's not changing. Okay, it will work fine. According to that, it will be changed. It's the like color, whatever you have to apply in the background, it will be changed according to that. Okay, so container fluid we are using, and container we are using for responsive designing. Okay, guys, I hope you understand. These are the things, and margin, padding, and color, and like container. What is container? How can you use in the container? Always, if you are doing any responsive designing, so in that, in the body section, uh, we need to be used in the container or container fluid, and container SM, and container MD, and like container large or extra large. Okay, whatever you want. Any doubt in that, you can ask me. Any doubt, guys? Once repeat the margin and answer. Okay, okay, margin and I remove all these things. Wait. Okay, in that I have designing a new element. After that, I will show you. Okay. Yeah. In that I have written it's paragraph or span. In that span, I have written this is a new element. Okay. Or tags, whatever you have to written. In that, I have using need to be used like class. Okay. If I require like a BG color, it's like background color or text primary. In that, I have using a ID. ID is like what is the ID? We have to give that one. It's SP. Okay, or SOP. In that, ID is SOP. SOP. Then we have written like height. It's 500 pixel or 200 pixel. Okay. In that, its width like 200 pixel. Let's see how it's designing. It's not working in that color also. Okay. Text primary. Yeah, primary. Okay. In that, it need to be particular. SOP is that. Okay. And we need to be a background color, a text color, and background color. It's any like aqua color. Okay. So height and width, which I did, yeah, it's not working. Okay, if I give the height, it is like 50 pixel, 50%, not working. Okay, one I will do one thing. I will change on that. Okay, in that width, 50 pixel. If I remove that one, it's better, I think. Digits are dark. What happening? Oh, yeah, DG dark. Okay, it's going to be container. Okay, or I remove the container. Okay, in that, if I write like uh, float left, wait, it's like in the style SOP. In that, I have written float left, float left, wait, float left. Wait, I will show you. Okay, width 100. Yeah, that's fine now. And next we are to doing one thing is like margin end. Okay, margin end. Right, not changing. Right, let's see. Due to width, it's not changing. Okay, I will change. It's like width 75. Okay, width here like 80%. Okay, it's not changing. So P, yeah, and then is that width margin. Okay, okay, I will show you the fast one. It's better, I think. Paragraph. Class BG color, BG primary, and ID is SOP. ID SOP. Okay, in that. So yeah, the with 80% not taking, right. If I write like with 75, let's see it's working or not. It's not working. Why? SOP, yeah. Background color, it's like aqua. Let's find why this one is not. It's 50%. Okay. If I can get 300 pixel, it's not working. Okay. Add container feed. Let's see. Class container. Okay. Have you observed that one? And that's it there. Okay, I have to return like margin and right. Why it's not working? Because we it's taking a whole bit. That's why it's not working. Okay. If you do one things is particular width and height mentioned in that whole border paragraph, a particular width and height, then will be changed that height width, it will be working. Okay. I will show you in that after a project I have designing a web page. In that I have to show whatever margin top, margin bottom. How can you do that? Okay. So let's designing a web page. Let's see. Hello guys, can you hear me? Before that, guys, can you hear me? Why it's disconnect again and again? Okay. Before that, you can listen me now. Okay, okay. Let's see. So, have you observed that one? It's like a margin left and margin like right. Okay. This is the margin left and margin right. We are applying like margin SMS is the margin start from container and margin SM to the margin end. It's 5. Okay. It's and this one. Okay. Chanakeshav, are you understand how can you like apply margin and like margin right? Please let me know in the chat box. Okay. So next we have to discuss like row and column. Before that, we are discussing table. Okay, how can you do the table? So let's see. If I design a table, in that I need to be a like a row and column and table data. Okay. Before that, it's P head. Okay. And next one we get T head, T body, T body. Okay. Next one we have T footer, T foot. Okay. T footer or whatever. Okay. So in that I want to return something like table data. Sorry, in the table row I have to return table row. Okay. In the table data I need like a whole like programmer developer list. Okay, developer list. Wait, developer list. Okay. So when I write like in the table, I need to be class table. Okay. Table hover. Okay. Then table sm table sm. Yeah. So we need to be return table in the table body. We need to be table row. In that we return like table data. It's table head. Sorry. It's table head. TH table head. Okay. In that we are returning table data. Table data. It's like Rohan, and Rohan is a HTML developer. Okay. HTML developer. Okay. Next one we have Johan. Johan. John. Johan. Next one we have Kumar. Okay. Okay. Kumar. Wait 2 minutes. Yeah. Let's see. Table. Okay. So let's see. It's working fine. Okay. When I over on that like it a like color color happening in that, like when I mouse over on that particular row, it will be like move to the particular, when I mouse over on that, it will be moved the particular like color. Okay, HTML developer, CSS developer, CSS developer, and this one the JavaScript developer. Okay, I need table border also, table border, table border, ed, table border. Have you observed that one? It's divided into two part. Okay, it need to be like call span, uh, call span 2. Okay, guys, and in that I want text should be in the center. Okay, so in that I have written text center, center, or without in that also you can return. Right. Style, text align center. Okay, it's working fine. Okay, this one is a table, we can do that. So what are the classes are there? Table borderless are also there, borderless, and table border without border, we can do that also. Okay, and table hover we are applying in that. Okay, and table size is like table sm, table md, all these things is there. Okay, table md, medium. Okay, it's table medium, and in that table sm. Okay, the changes happening, observe that one. Large, lg. Okay, and extra large is there, excel, extra large. Okay, guys, it's on the class name. Okay, table, table hover, table border, table borderless, and table sm, md, and extra large, large, all are there. By using this we can do that. Okay, guys, so next one we have a row. Okay, the row, and next we have to discuss how can you do that, like a particular pop-up box. Okay, when I click a button, it will be pop up in the center of the screen. How can you do that? Okay, we this modal is a how can you do that modal, we discuss that one in tomorrow session. Okay, so try yourself, this is like a table, using table and table border, table borderless, and table hover. Okay, and practice on that is like color and like margin and padding, all these things, practice yourself. Okay, any doubt you can ask me, like whatever we are like studying that today itself, you can ask me on chat box, guys. As th tag is we are used to table heading. Yeah, sorry for that, I will use in that td, that's why it's like table data, it's per external like table data. So after that I will remove that one and use the th. Okay, okay. Any other doubt you can ask me. Next we have to discuss modal, and all these, like how can you, when I click a particular row, how can you like collapse, and like modal we have to see, and carousel option is there. Carousel means I have to show you what is carousel and what is like modal. I want to show you that one also. Wait, in the Amazon, if you go to amazon.in, like slide are moving from the left to right or right to left, It is a carousel. Wait. Yeah. Why it's coming? Wait. Yeah. This one is a carousel. Have you observed that one? When I click that button, it moved to the next slide. When I click that one, it's next slide. When I click that next slide, it is a carousel option. Okay. When I click any of the button, like wait, it will open in a new tab, new like page, but pop-up box. I will show you modal option. Wait. Which website is there? Okay, I will show you in the tomorrow session. Okay, what is model? What is carousel? I hope you understand, and we are doing that one also in that tomorrow session. Carousel model, and what is row? How can you divide row and column? Okay, it is a responsive, and the default Bootstrap is a responsive designing. So by using the Bootstrap, we can designing any website and any of the for mobile device or iPad device or laptop device. Okay, guys. I hope you understand these many things. So tomorrow we are discussing modal and modal modal and carousel and row and column. Okay, or other things are there like when I click the particular row button, it will be like collapse. Okay, I will show you all these things. Okay, don't worry. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye.